Alright, hey there guys, so as you guys can see I have my camera on the bottom right. This is just going to be for now on, if you guys can see, like, if I make some hand gestures here and there, that you guys can see it. So if you guys don't know what Camtasia Studio is what I'm using to record it. I used to use Bandicam, so I'm just kind of messing around with this, seeing how it goes. So this video, as you guys can tell down below by the title, is going to be about GUIs. This is just going to be my introductory video into GUIs for a little project I have that I want to show you guys and make on a video. So let's go ahead and start explaining what a GUI is. A GUI, if you guys don't know, is called a graphical user interface. Now what that means is a graphic image, which is like a picture that shows up on your screen. So if you guys have seen a GUI, it's like people do like pictures, they do buttons, little text. If you guys have ever seen a text button in a game, that's what a GUI is. There's different types of GUIs. You have your labels, your text box, your text button, your image button, your image label, and then your frames. This is just about screen GUIs. I'm not going to be getting into surface GUIs yet, so that's going to come in the future, so don't worry about that yet. So, first comes first is the frame. You have two types of frame. You have your frame and you have your scrolling frame. Now, a regular old frame just holds anything in it. Mainly used for if you're doing an overall background and you don't want to worry about other things, or if you're using it as a holder, like if you want to make a frame over the entire size and you want to hold everything inside of it. You have your regular frame, but then there's also the second type of frame. The second type of frame is a scrolling frame. This is obviously exactly what it sounds like. You can scroll through it. Say you want to make like a list of names with a list that you can scroll through. This is how you do it. Use a scrolling frame. Now, there's also text label. It's exactly that. It's a little label. It just shows text. That's all there is to it. Then you have your text button. Text button makes obviously, as you guys can tell by the name, a button that you can hold text in that's clickable. You can click the button, you can run something if you want to create a function or anything. That's how you would do it. Text box. It's similar to the text button, however, you can create the box, add the text, but you can't click on it, basically. There's no built-in functions, pretty much. Then we have our image button and image label. It's pretty much the same exact thing how it sounds. Image button is you can create a picture with a button on it. So basically say you want to make like an image that has a really fancy little text, but you can't do it with the text button or text label. You can create your own image, upload it through a decal, and then make that decal in the image. And then whenever you click on the image itself, you place it. Say you're making it play, you deck it out with these really fancy letters or something, and then it'll click. Then you can run the game when it clicks play or something like that. Now a label. Image label is just a picture itself. It's just a little picture image on the screen. Say you're making a horror game, you want to make a jump scare. You want to make a little flash on your screen. You do an image label that say you have your horror image, it just pops on your screen and pops off. So that's really all there is for GUIs to go over as a basic. I'm not getting into the built-in functions yet or any of that. That'll for another video, which will be coming soon. I realized I never recorded a video yesterday, so I'm hopefully gonna make up for that today. So if you enjoyed this video, if this helped you explain a few things about the basics of GUIs, I know I really didn't go into more detail on it, so I will be in the future, as you guys know. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. If you have any ideas or anything that you want me to explain in the future, leave a comment down below on it. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel and check out other videos I make. I make tutorials all the time, as much as I can. And I try to help people, so thank you. Have a good day.